I am Francis. I am working in Siemens Building Technologies division. I look after the IT, ITES and the data center vertical. What we do, the Building Technologies division does, is that we give integrated solutions to the customer and we integrate the various subsystems so that the customer has got one single monitor to see the health of the system what he has. It's all about integration in a data center. When we interacted with your highly committed and a professional team, it was very evident from the very beginning that you are looking for a solution which is apart from what is being installed in the other data centers. And we were more interested, being a technology company, to give you the best solution possible at your data center. So the minute details which you gave, we worked upon that and we gave the next generation solution for your data center. We have given the fire suppression system, the FM200 over here. If you see a data center, most of the data center, fire is the major cause of concern. So in this data center, what we have seen is that right from the beginning, along with your dedicated team, we have gone through the minute aspects of the fire suppression system and given a solution that is apt for you. Coming on to the Desigo CC, we call it as Desigo Control Center. It integrates all the subsystems onto one system. It is fire suppression, water leakage system, rodent repellent system, CCTV, access, everything integrated to one system, and we are giving you the next generation Desigo CC command control center to you. Siemens is an engineering company and we are very passionate to work with the professionals. From the very start of this engagement, we have seen that professionalism as far as NextGen is concerned. Going to the minute detailing, discussing and reviewing it thoroughly before taking a decision, and involving the full team of NextGen into the entire decision making process is what we like. And we also engaged right from our design team along with the sales team to make it as a grand success. After all, winning this deal, even for the project management, we were collaborating in such a way that what is your requirement and what we are giving, whether it is meeting your requirements, and we are up to your standards. We have maintained the highest standards of the installations over here. We have followed the stringent requirements of a critical mission data center, and we have executed this project, and we are proud to proclaim that this is one of the best installations and the best customer to work with in the data center domain.